I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Canva designs on your cell phone. First, head over to your phone's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play, and download the free Canva application. Once installed, open it up and either create a new account using your email or social media, or simply log in if you already have one. The mobile interface is super user-friendly, making design accessible right from your fingertips. Now that you're logged in, it's time to pick a starting point. Canva offers thousands of professionally designed templates for almost any need, from social media posts to invitations. Just tap on a template that catches your eye. To personalize it, simply tap on any text box. You can then easily edit the words, change the font style, adjust its size, and even pick a new color, all with just a few taps. To truly make your design unique, explore Canva's vast library of elements. You can add photos, videos, shapes, and fun stickers to enhance your creation. Plus, you can easily upload your own images directly from your phone's gallery, integrating personal touches. With intuitive pinch-to-zoom and drag-and-drop gestures, resizing, rotating, and positioning any element is incredibly simple and precise, giving you full creative control. Once your masterpiece is complete, saving and sharing is a breeze. Tap the download icon, usually found at the top right, and choose your preferred format, such as a high-quality JPG or a transparent PNG. You can then instantly share your design directly to popular social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook. Alternatively, download it to your phone's gallery for offline use or to print it out later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.